without actually calculating the cubes, find each of the following. So we don't have to calculate the cubes, but we have to find the value of this. So we are going to use this identity, using identity, that is, if a plus b plus c is 0, therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So we are going to use this identity. Now to use this identity, first the value of a plus b plus c should be equal to 0. So here a is minus 12, b is 7 and c is 5. So we will first check if a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 is 0. So we'll check minus 12. 7 plus 5 is 12. So yes, plus 12 and minus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, directly you can write minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube is equal to 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5 by using this identity. Okay, so minus 36 into 35. So we'll see 36 into 35. 5 6 are 30, 5 are 15, 16, 17, 18, 3 6 are 18. So minus 1260. So this question is done. Question number 15, first part. Give possible expression of length and breadth of each of the following rectangle in which the area of the rectangle is given in form of quadratic equation. You have to find the length and breadth. Means in other way they are asking you to find the factors of this equation. Okay, so you know quadratic equation, how do we find the factor? By factorizing middle term. So by factorizing middle term, the two factors which you will get, that will be the length and the breadth. Okay, so you all know splitting middle term, the last term is 12 and the coefficient of the first term is 25. So 12 into 25. So we'll see what we are getting. 25 into 12. 2 5s are 10, 2 to the 4, 8, 5, 1 5 is a 5, 1 to the 2. So 0, 300. Means we have to find the factor of 300 such that when you add or subtract them, you are getting minus 35, and when you are multiplying them, you are getting 300. So how do we find? Just we will do prime factorization. 2 1 150. So 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 15. Okay, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Okay, so these many factors I have got. I have to break up all these factors into only two factors such that when I add or subtract them, I should get 35. Okay, so I am just doing trial and error. One is this set, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12, what is remaining? 5 5s are 25. 25 and 12. Is there any chance I am getting 35? 25, 12, 7, 3. No, 37 I am getting. So this is wrong. We'll check another possibility. 5 3s are 15. Just check this combination. 5 3s are 15. Now what is remaining? This 5, this 2, this 2. So 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. 15 and 20. So we will get 35. Yes. Minus 15 minus 20 will get minus 35. And when you multiply them, minus 15 into minus 20, you will get 300. Okay. So both the criteria are satisfying. So 25a square, split minus 35 into minus 15a and minus 20a, and then remaining number write as it is. Next step, again grouping of terms. So 25a square and 15, what is most common? 5 and a. Now 5 you have taken out, so 5 5s are 25. A is already there, so 1a you will write. Minus 5a, how many times you get 15? So 3. A is already there, so 5 5s are 25. A into a square, minus 5 3s are 15, a. Now in this what is common? I think 4. 4 5s are 20 and 4 3s are 12. So 4 you will take. What will remain inside? 5a minus sign, 4 5s are 20, a. I want plus 12, so minus into minus plus, and 4 3s are 12. So the factors common we should get, and we have got, so correct it is. So keep it in one bracket. Now whatever is written outside the bracket, keep it in another bracket. Now respectively, therefore length is 5a minus 3 and breadth is 5a minus 4. So this question is done. First part. Question number 15, second part. 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Again same thing. You need to find the factor of minus 12 into, so factors of minus 12 into 35. First of all, we will see what we are getting. 35 into 12. 35 into 12. 2 5 are 10. 2 3 are 6 7. 1 5 are 5. 1 3 are 3 0. 12. 420. Okay. So we need to find the factors of 420 such that when you add or subtract them, you should get plus 13. So we'll just see. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 0. 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. 3 7s are 21. So these are the factors. Now arrange these factors in only two forms, because here 13y you have to split in only two factors. Okay. So again trial and error. 5 2s are 10. 10 2s are 20. And 7 3s are 21. By any chance you are getting plus or minus plus 13? No. We'll check another combination. 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30 and 14. Okay, 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 5 3s are 15. 7 2s are 14. 14 2s are 28. By any chance you will get 13? 5 3s are 15. 1 and 7 2s are 14. 14 2s are 28. So 28 minus 15. 8 minus 5 3 2. Yes, 13. So this combination is correct. We can take this set. 7 3s are 21. 5 2s are 10. 10 2s are 20. This was 20 and 20. This you cannot take. Okay. So done. 35y square plus 13y you can write down as, okay, sign of this. What is the sign of the middle term? Plus. So whatever factors we are taking, the sign of the bigger number will be plus. Okay. So we'll write here plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. Again grouping of terms, 35 and 28. Most common factor 7. Y. Okay, so 7 5s are 35. Y is already there. 1 y will write plus 7 4s are 28. Okay, y is already there. Here minus sign, and 15 and 12. So 3 will take common. 5y. 3 5s are 15. Minus into plus. So minus plus minus. 3 4s are 12. Now again it is common. So keep it in one bracket. And whatever is written outside the bracket, keep it in another bracket. Therefore, length is 5y plus 4 and breadth is 7y minus 3. So this question is done. Question number 16. What are the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboid whose volumes are given below? The previous question we found the factors or length and breadth of the rectangle in which area was given in form of quadratic equation. Here volume is given, again it is form of quadratic equation, and we have to find the what? Dimensions of cuboid. Dimensions of cuboid means length, breadth and height of the cuboid. That means you are going to get three factors. So you have to factorize it simply. In other words, you have to factorize it and you will get three factors. Now how we will factorize, that is the question. So here we can factorize this by finding out common. 3x square minus 12x. So what is most common? 3x. So what you'll get? X minus 4. So 3x into x, 3x square plus minus minus 3 4s are 12. Okay. So now we got the factor. This is done. Now you cannot further factorize it. Now put comma. Therefore length is equal to 3. You can write 3. You can put any unit. 3 centimeter. Breadth x and height x minus 4 centimeter. Okay, done. So this question is done. Question number 16, second part. Volume is given in form of quadratic equation. Again you need to find the length, breadth and height. So I'm just checking how to factorize this. I can find out that what is common in all the terms. We will take out first common that. Okay, so I think 4. 4 3s are, 4 2s are, 4 5s are. Other than 4, k is also common. Y is present in first two term but not in the third term. So I am going to take 4k common. Now if you are taking 4k common, so just see the first term. What will remaining? 4 3s are 12. K is already out. Y square plus, check the second term. 4, how many times you'll get? 8, 2. K is already out. So what it will remaining? Y minus 4, how many times you'll get? 20. 4 5s are. K is already out. So this is your equation. Now this is simple quadratic equation. Factorize this. So again, factors of minus 5 and 3. So 15. You need to find the factor of 15. So this is very simple. You should get plus 2. So 15 means plus 5 and minus 3, right? Because what is the sign of the middle term? Plus. So here bigger number sign will be plus. So 4k into 3y square plus 2 can be written as 5y minus 3y minus 5. Again grouping of terms. So 4k into, here anything is common? No, y is common. So you can write down as 3y plus 5. Here anything is common? Minus 1. So 3y plus 5. Now this is common. So 4k. What you can write? 3y plus 5 in one bracket and y minus 1 in another bracket. Okay, so this is done. Now therefore length is equal to 4k. Breadth is equal to 3y plus 5 and height is equal to y minus 1. So this question is done. This was the last question of this chapter. Okay.